Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and another video. You can see amazing and worldwide best ideas for gardening in at this channel. Guys, today in this video we can show top tips for an eco-friendly garden. Today in this my video, guys, please new viewers watch till the full my videos and enjoy the video. If you don't forget subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So guys, let's move to our topic. So guys, please watch till the full my video at the end and enjoy my video. In recent years, eco-friendly or green gardening has emerged as a growing trend among garden enthusiasts and environmentalists. By embracing sustainable practice, gardeners can create beautiful, thriving outdoor space while minimizing their impact on the plant. Green gardening offers a perfect solution if you want to reduce your environmental footprint. Here's how you can make your garden both gorgeous and green. Benefits of green gardening. Adopting green gardening practice not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also contributes to the healthier environment. Key benefits include, guys, reduce carbon footprint by using fewer chemicals, conserving water, and incorporating native plants. You can significantly lower your garden's environmental impact. Guys, improve soil health. Natural fertilizers and no dig techniques enhance soil structure and fertility over time. Support for pollinators and wildlife. Creating habitats for bees, butterflies, and birds helps maintain biodiversity and support local ecosystems. Guys, next option is peat-free compost. Going peat free in a top priority for gardeners, according to the Royal Historical Society. The plants turn billions acres of peat bogs store more carbon than the world's forests combined, helping in the fight against climate change. Switching to peat free compost alternatives is easy, and quality compost blends such a new horizon will perform as well as peat. Modern peat free compost contain more sustainable ingredients such as wood fiber, coir, and composted bark. These have been carefully adapted to provide optimum growing conditions. Look out for bags that are clearly labeled peat free. Westland have a wide range of peat free compost available for whatever your gardening task. Gardening, guys, next option is saving water is very important for gardening. Saving water conserves Zation is a key aspect of eco-friendly gardening. Incorporate water-saving strategies to maintain a lush garden while reducing water waste. Rainwater harvesting: install water birds to collect and store rainwater for later use in the garden. Drip irrigation: use drip irrigation systems to deliver water directly to the roots of plants, minimizing evaporation and run off. Next is mulching, helps retain soil moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Guys, our next option is very beautiful and interesting for flowers gardening. Guys, again apologize to me. Please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline, and please watch helpful my video. Let's move to our topic. Create a wildflower area. Wildflowers are a magnet for bees, beneficial insects and butterflies, and you don't need to own a meadow to marvel at their magic. A small patch of soil or a large containers is ideal for introducing nectar rich blooms that will help in the battle against pollinator decline. Depending on your chosen seed mix, you can sow wildflower areas in either spring or autumn. There are blends available to suit different soil types. Transforming a tried lawn area into a wildflower area will increase your garden's biodiversity. It is also the ultimate in low maintenance gardening too. Hundreds of favorite blooms will lure pollinators in their droves: snowdrops, alliums, foxgloves, hollyhocks, lavender, and Bodleja are just a handful of bee or butterfly friendly flowers. Look out for the RSHH plants for pollinator logo when choosing plants at garden centers. The secret of success when planting bee friendly pots and borders is to select single flowers as opposite to full double blooms, where insect can easily access nectar and pollen. Ever popular dahlia, bishop of Lindau, is a classic example of a dahlia that bees adore. Next is grow your own. Growing your food is fun and rewarding and can cut food miles to footsteps, which is so much better for the environment. Even in tiny garden pots, grow bags, vegetable growing tables, and raised beds can yield a bumper harvest. Tomatoes, runner beans, potatoes, carrots, and lettuce are easy to grow for beginners. They can be cultivated without the use of pesticides. Their taste is normally superior to shop bought produce, and unlike most supermarket which they do not come wrapped in single use plastic, make sure you use a good compost suitable for growing veg and feed your crops with. You have the right mix of nutrients for your plant is vital to your garden's success. Whether you choose to garden organically or traditionally, fertilizers add desirable nutrition to the soil. Understanding the number on the fertilizer package will help ensure your plants receive the proper balance they require. Guys, properly balancing the use of chemicals in your garden to fight pests is important. Also, you can option to use organic pest control methods only. To incorporate botanical insecticide or to apply synthetic pesticides. Please guys enjoy this video at the end, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. Please tell to watch the end. Guys, next is flower gardening. From annuals to perennial, flower gardening can be a word unto itself. With there you are starting flowers from seed, installing flowering plants to add a splash of color and presently to your landscape, or just trying to understand the difference between annuals and perennials. Give your garden the best possible start by checking out the flower gardening tips below. Guys, next is finding a garden gear. Finding smart resources for better gardening is something we take very seriously here at Growing a Greener World. From the annual list of the best of the must haves podcast products that course your paths nearly every day, we are constantly on the lookout to bring more valuable, innovative solutions to make your gardening life as enjoyable and productive as possible. Check out some of the products that have piqued our interest along the way. Guys, please subscribe my channel and give a like and leave a comment for our better guideline and full watch video till to end. Next is insects and pests. A beautiful garden usually attracts more than an impressed neighbor. Only hours after planting, you may find that pests are just as taken with your garden as you are. Although there is no way to eliminate pests altogether, there are several things you can do to cut down on the number of unwanted visitors to your garden. From integrated pest management, potential insecticides, organic and synthetic pesticides and insecticides to barrier numerous pest deterrents can be easily purchased or made. The next option is landscaping. Creating a beautiful landscape can sometimes seem like an impossible task, yet, although many landscape designs do require a large commitment of time, there are simple things everyone can to do improve crop appeal. There are a few design tips you can to do make your yard the envy of the neighborhood. New viewers, please subscribe my channel and leave a comment and give a like for our better guideline and full watch video at the end. Next option is organic gardening. The use of natural products to improve the soil and fight pests and disease are all part of organic gardening basics. By eliminating man-made and synthetic products from your gardening remain, you can create a safe and biodynamic garden. Learn why soil amendments like compost, manure, and natural fertilizers are better choices. Guys, next is seasonal gardening. No matter where you live, gardening can be a year-round activity. Even in those parts of the country where winter snow blankets the ground, gardeners are busy planning for spring and tending to plants or seedling indoor. Fall colors can be every bit as stunning as a beautiful spring border. Meanwhile, the height of gardening season, summer presents its own set to challenges. These gardening articles will teach and inspire you no matter what the session. Next is trees and shrubs. Whether you are looking for color, fragrance, fruit for your table, or simple a fast feast for the eyes, trees and shrubs can fit the bill. Trees and shrubs are vital to any well balanced garden.